This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we learn about how to create up a scatter chart in Excel with lines which have sharp turns. Now, although the name, the scatter chart with lines and sharp turns seems to be a bit off track, but this is what we eventually get if we create up a chart which is of this nature. When we go to this scatter menu and click on this chart, we get a similar kind of a chart which is being represented by our curved lines over here. But in this case, you can see that for every change, for every point that is being represented over here, the line has sharp turns, the sharp edges over here. In this case, the lines were curved and they were very smooth in all the turning points and everywhere. So this is the difference when it comes to creating up a scatter chart with lines which are sharp, which have sharp ends eventually. Now we can even go ahead and for aesthetic purposes remove this big red or blue dots that have been completely obfuscating our lines over here. To do this, again we need to select the data over here and go into the insert tab and scatter option over here, and for a curved line I need to click on this, and you can see I now have a new chart with those curved lines each like joining the scatter point that I had over the x-axis, and but I don't really have those dots. These two charts are exactly the similar ones, except for the fact that at each and every change point, say in this 1 or 2, I don't have these big red or blue dots representing them over here. Now if I want the same kind of a treatment for this chart which has sharp turns over here, I can again go and select my data, go on to the insert tab, scatter option over here, and click on this button, and there you go. We have exactly similar version of this chart in this, except for the facts I don't have these big scatter points at representing different values on the x-axis. So this is all about creating up scatter charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.